तो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू गेम पे। हम वापस से खेलने जा रहे हैं बेंटर प्रोटेक्ट ऑफ द अर्थ। एज यूजुअल, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ओके, plumber base. Did Ghost Freak steal another project and use it to free will guys? The tensions headed to Mount Rushmore and the hidden plumber base to find answers. Okay, as usual, hate blast. I'm better hit them with my bare hands. Heat blast hands would be more powerful than that meteor slam, I suppose. And that consumes too much energy, stamina also. Not so much value for money. Okay. Who's next? You only. Huh? Out? No. Oh yeah. Take my punches if you cannot get out with one meteor slam. But I'm not going to waste my stamina on that one move again and again and again and again and again and again. Man, I hate when they. You come one by one. One hand attack is enough. Okay. You mummies. You get good beatings. Come. It's there. It lost. One more time. No one comes. Over? Suppose so. Alive. Want? Okay. You cyclone mummy also want. Fine as you want. I will not. I will let your last wishes be fulfilled. Chalo. Okay. Oh no. No. Guy on the wall. Time to destroy the mummies. चल वाह, इन लोग का थोपड़ा उड़ा रहा है। चलो आगे बढ़े. Okay. E plus can Sonic Rush. Sonic Rush. Yeah, good. I'm good with it. I can shout at a couple of these, but you will only have a moment to get past before the system. Okay, as you want, Gwen. I'll follow instructions for this time. Who's next? You're next. Fine. Now who's next? चलो मुझे तो लगा लगेगा भी लेते इसे. चलो एक तो पार हो गया. पंखे इनके वहाँ जा सकते हैं. आई होप. ये बटन किस लिए हैं? फैंस रुक गए. अच्छा ऊपर क्या था? ऊपर कुछ ना कुछ तो था बॉस. कुछ ना कुछ तो है. Let's see that afterwards. First let's see what's here. Okay, so it's going to be time for the new Sonic Rush. धूम मचा ले. Doom, 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 doom. Out. Anyone else? Yeah, for sure. It's not going to be just two people here. Once more. Okay, you want once more? As you wish. Oh no. चलो भाई. चलो wolves, get out of here. Four Wolverines at once. One with upgraded version. One more left. That will be over. Tell you what, you will be over with one shot. The next one. Okay, from here we'll go to there. Okay. First let's go down. Yeah. Okay. Okay, got it. Oh, well, sumo slammers. Okay. Got it. Didn't got out. Come on, from here, Ben. Without dying. Good one. Okay, चलो. ओके इधर से नहीं हो रहा. अच्छा इसलिए यहाँ दिया गया. चलो हो गया. पहुँच जाएंगे. DNA boost. Collecting DNA boost increases the maximum health. Okay. Not allowed from here. From here. Suppose 1 minute. ओके मुझे लगा यहाँ का दरवाज़ा खुला हो. If I would be knowing that doors are closed, I wouldn't be going there. चलो जी, बंद दरवाज़ा था. क्या है, मुझे लगा एक और सुमो क्लाइमेक्स मिल जाएगा. Okay, where are we going? Where? Okay, you want one more time Sonic Rush? I will give you that. The Sonic Rush annihilates the whole field boss. One more. मुझे लगा हो गया. Yeah, that's bad. That's very bad. Sonic Rush annihilates the whole field. Sorry for alienating your species, mommy, but you all are really ugly. I just want your power, that's why I like you. Otherwise, you're very ugly. Even more uglier than that Hex. Oh wow, you have to go up. But from where will I go up? Okay, here I think. Okay, gotta go with childish. चलो हाँ पहुँच गए. I'm dead boss. नहीं. इसके लिए सिर्फ एक ही ये स्पीसीज काम करेगा. Where my dear fire heat blast. Oh no. Time to destroy the whole pool only. नहीं होगा इससे. अब नहीं हो सकता बॉस. कुछ और ढूंढना पड़ेगा. भाई इसका नाक टूटने वाला है. भाई नाक टूट गया. लेट्स सी कि सच्ची में नाक टूटेगा ही नहीं. ओ टूटा. इसका तो नाक है टूटा. अच्छा अब नहीं टूटेगा. कोई बात. अच्छा एक मिनट. कॉम्बो लिस्ट. एक मूव मैंने देखा था इसका. फ्लेम थ्रोअर, फायर स्वाइप, फायर मून, मीटियोर स्लैम, फायर मून. X and triangle. Okay, let's see. X and triangle. Oh, this is fire moon. तो ये कौन सा है? क्या नाम था इसका? टॉर्च स्वाइप. ओके. टॉर्च स्वाइप. ओके, इट विल आल्सो नॉट वर्क. मैंने देखा था लेकिन. चलो हो गया. एक तो गया. चलो इस मम्मी की वोट लगाई जाए। वेल मैं कंटिन्यू मैं कंटिन्यू करना चाहता था पर एज यूजुअल वीडियो बहुत लंबी होने थी तो लेट्स एंड इट। Okay guys, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, share our videos as much as possible. I'll see you in the next video and take care, bye bye.